Tips for how to bypass Google Recaptcha for free. This is David. He always wasting his time by resolving Google Captchas. Now he is searching solution about how bypass Captcha in Google. Finally, he found amazing solution, and I see must our channel show him how to bypass Google Recaptcha, so let's see the video. First you need to download the extension Buster, the link of download in description below, and it's available for all browsers. Then, you can start to resolve captchas automatically in less than 3 seconds by clicking in Buster icon, as I am doing now. Let's try another time. As you see, Captcha resolved automatically, without any problem. David, now enjoy to resolve captchas without stop, and for free. Enjoy to resolve you too. If you are a new visitor, don't forget to subscribe in channel and like the video.